Good afternoon, guys. I basically finished the box yesterday. I mean, at least if everything had gone according to my plan, but I have a suspicion that either this module right here was dead on arrival, this buck converter, or that these motherboard stands, or like these brass stands right here, or the screw, is somehow shorting out this board, because those are basically the only two ways I can explain why it's not working properly. So that's probably what I'm gonna spend the rest of the day trying to figure out. I mean, I've already taken this thing apart and rebuilt it a handful of times today already. But yeah, I'm gonna do some conclusive measuring later on. Right now, I'm just hanging out with Moss and our fellow friend Felipa from like 10 years ago. They want me to go shopping. I don't mind at all. They know I love riding, so I'm gonna go shopping on the wheel, get a few things that they need, and come back, hang out with them, and eventually come back here and keep working on this. It looks like me and Yes, we're gonna go to Svendborg, to this place called Maskinen, or the Machine. A nice place that has an event every month in the end of the month. I went there last month at the Bob Marley's birthday event. Great event, I loved it. And I wanted to go this time around, but I'm broke. Yes is broke. I asked him if he'd gotten enough money for us to pay the entrance fee and maybe get a drink or two. He didn't respond, so I guess that's a no. I'm probably just hanging out here for the rest of the day then. Here we go, guys. Spent my final bit of money. Oh well. We got enough to make sushi tonight. And yeah, I think we'll be fine. I may have to borrow like 100 krona or so from my cousin. Let's see. But at least that is a possibility. Let's get some of this bread. Hey. Villas. He picked up all this bread that had been thrown out. And nothing's wrong with it. So I'm gonna eat some of that with this, what do you call this, deli meat in American? It's like boiled, salted pork. And this is chicken with spices. Got some more tea as well. I could go for some tea. And then I'm gonna go join Moss and Felipa, I think. Okay, change of plans. I am making sushi for Felipa, Moss and I. And then, of course, right as I start, Yes answers me. I asked him earlier, hey, did you get some money together for the admission fee to enter Maskinen, that place we're going for the event later? And he hits me up now. It's like 6 p.m, dude. Come on. Should have given me a bit of a heads up. So I guess I'm just gonna eat and then immediately go to damn near the other side of Denmark. But I'm sure it's gonna be worthwhile. It's always nice to go out and challenge yourself, be a little more sociable than you would have if you were just lazy. Well, let's see how far I get. There is a non-0% chance that I just end up chilling out with Moss and not going anywhere. Alright, rice vinegar is ready. I dissolved some sugar and salt in there. Sushi rice is still cooking. I'm gonna fry up these shrimp now. And cut out this cucumber. Hey! Alright, finishing moves. I cooled down the rice, steamed them off. Been turning them around regularly. Now I'm reheating the rice vinegar. These are ready. Everything is ready. I just gotta put the rice vinegar inside the rice and have them soak it up, and then it's just rolling. We're almost there. There's even a little bit of the good soy sauce left. Oh, let's go, the mushroom soy sauce from Yes. This stuff is amazing. Er det ikke bare storslået ud?
Ja, det gør det dog. Mega flot.
Okay, let's eat. Paul ended up coming over. Philippa went home. Me and Moss hung out a bit. Made some tea. And I'm gonna retreat to my room and probably stay up way too late trying to figure out what the issue is with the electrical setup, the little box I've been building for the electric unicycle. I have like a dead short going on right now. I think I know what it could be. Gonna have to disassemble it completely again. But first, I'm probably just gonna hang out in voice chat with Stony. Yeah. And then I'll probably just start doing it. Just start working on it while I'm talking with him. That's typically how it goes. I gave up working on the electrical project. I'm just eating some buttered bread that another resident found here for free. It was getting thrown out. Nothing wrong with it. And I got myself some tea as well. It's pretty good.